Hey everybody, Warren down here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we're looking at a 2013 Toyota Tacoma that's got some really awesome front end accessories put on it. This is an ARB Summit bumper. This is about top of the line that you can do for front bumpers on these trucks. One of the great things about having a bumper like this is that you can put on a ton of accessories. We're looking here at some really high quality spotlights and an LED light bar. This is an ARB Solis Intensity spotlights and light bar. And both of these are really nice. They really go well with the bumper. The color of the bumper, the black and the red, really matches up, gives it a great look. And then sitting in the bumper, we have a Warren winch, fully powered, fully suited for that. For any situations you get yourself in, you can see what you're doing, you can pull yourself out as well. Now let's take a look at the back of this truck. So here in the back, we're also doing a really cool Toyota accessory, not just specific to Toyotas, you can get this for every truck. It's a deck system, which gives you extra storage space in the back. It raises your bed level up and puts sliding drawers in right here where you can store hunting gear, camping gear, hiking gear, whatever you desire or need for anything that you're gonna do in your truck. These are the parts laid out right here. That's the deck system right there, really strong, really high quality plastic. You got the supports right here. This is the middle support, and then you got a small drawer and a big drawer, as well as some ammo cases over there. So all this is really high quality stuff, really durable plastic. Like I said, to help store any gear for anything you might want to do. So come on down to Mike's Off-Road for any of the accessories you want, any of the cool stuff like this. We can hook you up with front end accessories, bed accessories. We can do lights anywhere you want on the truck, lift kits, any sort of accessories you need to get outside in Montana and have fun doing whatever it is you want to do. Come on down to Mike's Off-Road.